Hi there and welcome to another video. Today's tutorial is gonna be a little bit more old school, an eye close-up. I did this brown smoky eye with a contrasting teal lower lash line. So let's get into the tutorial. I started by packing a dark brown shade on the base of my lashes. This is a Real Techniques smudging brush that I'm using here. I started by tapping it in the center of my lid and then taking it towards the outer corner of my eye. What I'm trying to do here is sort of like a cat eye shape, sort of like an eyeliner shape, so I'm really extending it into the outer corner as well. Then to blend it out, I use this medium brown shade on a Morphe 506 brush, which is small and round, and I applied it on top of the dark brown, a little bit higher up, and blending it higher than the dark brown shade and also towards my outer corner. Because this is a smoky eye, it's going to be a lot of blending involved, so I took an even lighter brown shade, which is going to be my transition, and I used this Real Techniques crease brush to blend it out. So I'm taking it a little bit higher up and into my crease as well, and also blending like towards my outer corner to extend. Because of all that blending, the darker shades have faded, so I'm coming back to my medium brown shade and reapplying it and sort of re-intensifying it, doing the same thing with the dark brown as well. So for me, smoky eyes are a lot of back and forth, switching between the shades and the brushes to make sure everything is well blended, but also not too faded. Then I highlighted my inner corner with the NYX Buttermelt highlighter and a small detail brush, just patting it on there. And then for the most interesting part of the look, I used this shimmer, bright teal, that I applied with a flat brush. I sprayed it first with a little bit of setting spray. A damp brush will make the shade pop a little bit more, so it's gonna look a little bit more metallic. Then I applied that on my entire lower lid from start to end. I really like the contrast between this bright lower lid with the smoky, deep upper lid. Then to complete my lower lash line, I took this pencil brush and I applied a mix of the dark and medium brown on the outer corner of my lower lash line, also taking it underneath the teal shade. And then I did a basic eyeliner. I used the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I usually like applying my liners just on the outer corner of my eye, and also lined underneath my lashes just to create more depth, I guess. And I did an inner corner wing as well, which will emphasize on the extension of the eye. And yeah, I elongated the liner a little bit. I thought it was too subtle. And then I lined my waterline with a black pencil. This will tie it all together. I think it just fits, especially because I'm not doing an entire eyeliner. This is a way to connect the inner corner wing with the regular wing. And then I applied mascara both on my top and lower lashes, and also I applied some false lashes from Ardell. These are the Studio Effects wispies. And yeah, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy this format as well. I did it because I have a cold sore and I don't want to show my entire face, so just eye close up it is. I hope this was somewhat inspiring. I wish you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.